What if infinity had a heartbeat, a vortex breathing through its center? I want to show you a simple idea that feels ancient and futuristic at the same time. An infinity symbol, pierced by a spiral. Symbol first. Infinity, the sideways figure 8, feels like balance and flow, two loops trading places forever. A vortex is motion made visible, a spiral that carries you inward and outward, transformation in a twist. Put them together and you get a point where endless flow meets change, a gateway in the middle of forever. Now the science. Mathematicians draw a smooth infinity curve, a lemniscate, with a neat parametric recipe. Think of a point that moves as time runs from -pi to pi. Its x and y are built from sine and cosine, so the path loops left, crosses the origin, then loops right, like a sideways 8. If I want a flat vortex, I pick a friendly spiral, r equals a plus b times theta, the Archimedean spiral. As theta grows from 0 to 2 pi, the spiral starts small and gently expands, tracing coils. Place that spiral at the crossing point, the origin, and you've got two parameter tracks, one for the infinity loop, one for the spiral that pierces it. Plot them together, and the figure 8 gets a living center, like a lens focusing motion. Does it exist? Mathematically, yes. Precisely, perfectly, forever. Every point sits at exact coordinates, a truth on a plane that never rusts. Physically, it exists as patterns. In fluids, twin counter-rotating vortices sketch infinity-like paths, while a spiral shows up when something falls into or escapes from the flow. In plasma and magnetism, field lines reconnect and loop, making lemniscates with vortexy kinks that release bursts of energy. Even in galaxies, you can find echoes, rings, bars, and spirals weaving a cosmic dance that hints at an with a twist. Here's the fun bit. Sometimes the structure is invisible, but the perturbations aren't. A magnetic field can be unseen, yet iron filings reveal its loops. Air can hide a vortex until fog or dust traces the spiral. Quantum fields hum underneath everything. You don't see the field, you see what it nudges. Particles, light, energy. The pattern is the whisper, the perturbation is the shout. Back to spirit. If infinity is continuity and a vortex is transformation, their meeting point is a promise. Change that preserves meaning, motion that keeps balance. I like to think of it as a still center that breathes, the place where cycles exchange their secrets and come out renewed. So here's your pocket map. Infinity for flow, spiral for change. They're crossing for the moment everything aligns. Sketch it. Plot it. Watch for it in smoke, water, clouds, city traffic, even your habits. When you spot that shape, notice what it's doing to the space around it. The perturbations tell the story. Infinity with a heartbeat. A vortex at the center. Simple math. Real patterns. Deep meaning. Breathe in. Spiral out. Begin again.